Why should businesses use influencer marketing?
I think as our attention is becoming more and more dispersed, the more social networks that come out, the more different media channels that are coming out, our attention now, we're always fighting for attention in so many different ways. Um, and I think now, if you are looking at ways to grasp attention and start really being able to benefit as a company in terms of your sales, in terms of your awareness, in terms of traffic, then I think you should be promoting through people because we're starting to switch off from ads. When my grandma was younger, she would have the radio, she'd have a paper, and she'd watch the TV, and she'd be in a bloody element. But now my attention's all over the shop. So now I'm really starting to be a lot more specific in where I'm putting my attention. And the more that you are focusing on being an ad, the more people are going to start switching off. So if you've got a great product, then let other people talk about it rather than yourself because people listen more.